Aloha, Adele Brienne here from Amazing and Helpful. So it's a pretty stressful time here in Maui. It's hard to even talk about, but I just want to very briefly say, if you are a Maui business owner who lost a storefront, you lost your business to the fire, or you're otherwise affected from loss of home and other things, I am an online business expert. I can very, very quickly build websites with e-commerce very, very quickly. I'd be happy to support you, get you started at very little or like the minimal cost possible just to get your tech set up, and like we can work out payment for me later, like when your business is back up and running, or we can do trade, or we can just figure out something creative. I have so much support to give. I have always believed in helping others. That's part of who I am. So if you need help selling stuff online or need other tech support right now, I would love to support you. Please reach out to me and I will do whatever I can to help figure